Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy, healthy and nutrient dense, probiotic rich lunch recipe perfect for bachelors, hostel students or for busy people. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in some vegan curd. I have already shared 4 different vegan curd recipes. Please do check them out. Now, if you don't have any intolerance to dairy milk curd, you can use dairy milk curd instead of vegan curd. Into this, I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a stir. You can see that the vegan curd is thick and creamy. I'm adding in 1/3 cup of Jowar flakes. I'm going to give this a good mix. So this is a very filling 1 bowl meal which we can have as a breakfast, lunch or dinner. We can enjoy this any time of the day. And now I'm going to allow the jawar to soften in the vegan curd, and while that is getting done, I'm going to get the other ingredients ready. So while the jawar has been soaking in the curd, I have grated 1 medium-sized carrot and give it a stir. For those who don't know, jawar flakes are made by soaking jawar. Around 8 to 10 hours of soaking is done, and then it is dried and pressed between iron rollers. For tadka, I am heating my tadka pan with 2 teaspoons wood pressed sesame oil. Sesame oil is also known as gingerly oil. Sesame oil is ideal for those with health issues like PCOS as it helps to balance your hormones. Remember that healthy cooking is all about using the right quality of oils. So try to use wood pressed oils in your diet. I'm adding in half teaspoon mustard seeds. And once the mustard seeds starts to splutter, I'm adding in a pinch of jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 2 whole Kashmiri chillis which I am breaking into small pieces and adding in, a couple of shallots which I am slicing and adding in. Shallots are rich in iron and folate, hence I like to use them in my recipes. However, if you don't prefer to use shallots in this recipe, you can totally omit it. A small piece of ginger which I am just slicing and adding in. Into this I am adding in half teaspoon urad dal and half teaspoon tur dal. 1 tablespoon raw peanuts and give it a stir. If you are on the spicier side, you can finely chop in half or 1 green chilli or as per your taste. I added half of the green chilli and give this all a nice mix. Into this I'm adding in 1 sprig of curry leaves. I'm tearing the curry leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released. And lastly, I'm adding in just a fat pinch of hing, also known as asafoetida. This is homemade asafoetida powder. I've already shared how to make asafoetida powder at home. Please do check it out. And pour the tadka into the bowl. Give it a mix. Sprinkle some pomegranate seeds on top for an added crunch, subtle sweetness and for color. This is entirely optional. If you don't have pomegranate seeds, you can totally omit it. And lastly, sprinkle in a little bit of coriander leaves. And my super healthy, nutrient dense, probiotic rich meal, ideal to have as a meal for lunch or for dinner, is ready to serve. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.